At the end of this course, which also marks the end of the ICIP program, you'll have the knowledge needed to develop your IoT business plan and product roadmap. However, this is not a business planning course. Instead, this course is an IoT lens through which you can look at any business and business plan. It's been my experience, having worked on tens of IoT projects, that a majority of products are not started with a business plan. Often they're started in the engineering lab. This may be a great way to understand the technology, but it's not a great way to build a business. This must change to break out of the maker mentality and to develop the Internet of Things into a significant part of your business. I guess there's a little bit of theory, but this course is definitely not theoretical. It comes from my consulting experience with small and large companies in the full spectrum of IoT: commercial IoT, industrial IoT, infrastructure IoT, and consumer IoT. It also comes from the interviews I've had for my podcasts and my videos with the industry's top thought leaders. The emphasis of this course is on strategy, business planning, planning your product requirements, and the digital transformation your company must go through in order to support its IoT product, system, or environment. In more detail, the course covers industry and the changes coming, IoT competition and IoT competitive advantages, the outcome economy, the digital transformation framework, IoT business and product requirements, the 360-degree requirements framework, and what I've learned to get started. So with that, let's get on with the course.